Hey guys, Mixed Media Girl here. So we're going to try another fun technique. We're going to pour with a dustpan. I've seen quite a few people doing this for a while and I've been meaning to try it. I just haven't gotten around to it. So I have some leftover paint here in one of my silicone bowls. I am going to go ahead and use that because might as well. And what I'm going to do is I'm going to put the paint in here as a dirty pour, and then I'm going to pour it in here and then out on the canvas. So I'm going to fill this bowl up entirely. This is a 10 by 20 canvas. If I like how this comes out, I'll do it probably on a bigger canvas. I do have some 20 by 20 canvases lying around and definitely have options here. So I'm just using up paints that I already have all mixed up, which is pretty much right now purple, blue, bronze, white, and black. I've been using those quite a bit recently. I have two different purples. I have a metallic purple and then just a regular purple. This is the regular one. I haven't put any white in here because I wanted to put some on the canvas, but it looks like I'm actually about out of white. Let's see. I might have to do this with a black canvas as a background, you guys. Here's the metallic purple. Okay, that's really full. So, let's see. I'm going to go ahead and move this out of the way. Like I said, unfortunately, I am out of white for the moment. I've mixed up so much white paint in the last few days. I'm going to go ahead and put... You know what? Let's be different. Let's put purple here. I have a lot of purple. I don't want this to come out too dark. So I'm just going to cover this with purple. A pretty thin layer. It's pretty much just to make sure that the canvas is, in fact, got paint fully on it. And then we'll do our dustpan. I'm really excited about this. I was kind of nervous too. I haven't decided if I'm going to tilt it or anything. All I know is I'm going to try it and see what happens. Okay. So there we go. We got some purple on there. I am going to take the little bit of white that is left in here and pour it in the dustpan. It's not a lot. But that will also give me kind of a base in here. And I just got this one at the dollar store. Intentionally got the small one because I knew I'd be doing this on a smaller canvas. Okay, this is going to be interesting. Silicone bowls are kind of wobbly. All right. So, it's in here. Oh, this is going to be fun. And you guys ready? Here we go. So good news is I got myself a very pretty dustpan. Alright, I do have some leftover in here. I'm going to just go ahead and get some out on the canvas down here. And then I think I am going to tilt it. I've seen some people tilt and other people didn't tilt, and I don't think there's any hard, fast rules, but I definitely feel like tilting this. Alright. Good. I'm going to let this run off on my... I do have some parchment paper down here because I have a bunch of wet paint on my silicone mats. So I'm going to let the paint run off on there, and that's going to make a really cool skin that I'll use later. Excellent. Here we go. So I do want to keep this general pattern. I'm going to just kind of slowly tilt back and forth, bringing that out to the sides just a little bit. And help it along on some of the edges here. This is just my first time trying this. I will, you know, probably do it a little bit differently next time, but who knows? This actually seems like it's coming out really, really cool. Okay, bring it back this way. And it's also kind of hard to tell how much paint you've got in that dustpan. But it seems like we got plenty. That is cool. I really like that. Awesome. So, I'm going to go ahead and bring it down for a close-up. And we'll look at the details here. All right, lower right-hand corner. Going up to the upper right-hand corner here. This is just really cool how these lines came about. I don't feel like those would have kind of normally been there. Lower left-hand corner. Really love this part. And overall. All right, guys, let me know what you thought of this experiment. I thought it was really cool. Came out very well. I will definitely be trying this on a larger surface with more of a base paint. That was just a really thin layer of base paint, and I would like to try it with either white or black. Probably, I think the metallic was a bad idea because it's a little bit thinner. So either white or black or some other solid color, but I'm really happy with this. Let me know what you guys think. I'll see y'all next time.